And it's a maglev train which floats, which not runs. It has no wheels, so it moves through the electric forces and the magnetic forces, which are supplied by electromagnets, which we don't have currently right now. Like, as it is made on industries, and these are really highly costable, and we can't use that. And our project is also under budget, so like, here we have put our thoughts that how a train can move through magnetic repulsion. Like, there are two types of maglev trains. First is maglev dynamic, and the second one is maglev electronic suspension. So the first one, the dynamic train works on the basis of the permanent magnets which we get from Earth, and we used to put from lower to higher, so that makes the train move. And here we have, if you talk about what we have done in this, so we have used the repulsion technique here. Like, both south poles or both north poles are there, so that it is repelling, and we don't have that powerful magnet, so it is limited. Okay, so here the use of Arduino is that if we had electromagnets in the place of LEDs, then this train would have definitely worked. Although we don't have that electromagnet, so we had put LEDs here, and we had used Arduino to show that it is working. And with that, this is the code which we are having right now. And if we so like right now, if you can see that because of the current supply, it is not working that much, but you can see that the electricity is being passed through the cords. So like, if we had electromagnets over here, then this train would have worked, but we don't have that, so we have showcased this through the LEDs right now.
Okay.
Yes.